Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17 Introduction. Chapter 17 Introduction. The Shastra is the final authority to decide on the power of discrimination used to arrive at all its moment to moment judgments. Arjuna is ready to live the higher life more intensely. Gita insists upon the knowledge of the Shastras. Arjuna is confident that he has developed in himself sufficient faith, Shraddha, in the nobler way of life. The chapter opens with these doubts. Is it sufficient if one lives with faith a life of good conduct and noble aspirations, or is it necessary to know the Shastra and work with faith implicitly obedient to the injunctions laid down in the Shastra? Simply put, even without the knowledge of the Shastras, can blind faith take the seeker far? Shraddha is the special capacity the human intellect has not only to know the Shastra but also to live them. Faith has an effect on all the fields of man's endeavors, his physical indulgences, ahar, his sacrifices, yagna, his sense denials, tapas, and his charities, dana. Shraddha is of three kinds, according to the nature of the temperaments, gunas, which the individual entertains in himself. They are 1. Balanced joy, sattva. 2. Ambitious and feverish activities, rajas. 3. Vegetative existence and heedlessness, tamas. How men, under the influence of these three gunas, live the religious values and strive for spiritual unfoldment is explained in this chapter. How we can direct our activities away from the influence of the lower urges and guide our spiritual practices consistently on the royal path of sure success is described. Learn more in the first shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.